Ever wish you could replace an entire rack of dumbbells with one compact, space-saving pair without sacrificing strength gains? Meet the Bowflex SelectTech 552 adjustable dumbbells. Can just 2 pieces truly replace 15 sets and deliver the speed, versatility, and durability you need for real workouts? In this review, I'll reveal the verdict, break down where these shine, and point out a few catches worth knowing before you lift. Bowflex SelectTech 552 Product Overview. The Bowflex SelectTech 552 adjustable dumbbells, produced by Bowflex, now owned by Johnson Health Tech, debuted in the mid-2020s as a go-to solution for home strength training, offering a staggering weight range from 5 to 52.5 pounds per dumbbell for U.S. consumers. Designed to replace 15 traditional dumbbell sets in a minimal footprint, these are aimed at beginners and general fitness enthusiasts seeking efficiency and versatility. Sold as a pair for approximately $429, they're among the most popular adjustable options for home gyms in America. Bowflex SelectTech 552 Performance. In real-world use, the SelectTech 552s perform very well. Adjusting weights is fast and intuitive. The dual selector dials, one on each end, allow changes in about 7 seconds from the lowest to highest weight, with complete satisfying clicks as you spin, making supersets and fast-paced workouts smoother. These 15-in-1 dumbbells provide smooth transitions, ideal for dynamic workouts. On the flip side, there are a few quirks. First, because you adjust each side separately, it's slightly slower than mechanisms that adjust both ends at once, though still efficient. The handle length remains constant across weight settings, so at lighter weights, the longer profile can feel cumbersome or limit range of motion during exercises like chest or shoulder presses. Additionally, the reliance on plastic components makes the system less durable if dropped. Reviewers warn to treat with care. Prolonged misuse may lead to gear jams or breakage. Features and tech. Let's unpack 3 to 4 key features with real-life benefit. Wide weight range with micro increments. Adjust from 5 to 52.5 pounds with 2.5-pound increments up to 25 pounds and 5 pounds above. Perfect for gradual strength progression and small muscle exercises like front delts or tricep kickbacks. Space-saving 15-in-1 design. Replaces 15 pairs of fixed dumbbells in a minimal footprint, taking up minimal space, a boon for home gym users with limited room. Intuitive dial weight selector. Quick, satisfying dial system allows rapid adjustments mid-workout, streamlining transitions between sets. Super handy for superset-heavy routines. Design and build. The SelectTech 552s sport a practical design, a combination of steel, nylon, ABS plastic, and rubber, yielding a modern, lightweight feel. Each dumbbell measures roughly 16.9 inches long, 8.3 inches wide, and 9 inches tall, a bit bulky compared to traditional dumbbells, which can feel awkward for movements requiring proximity to the torso. The handles feature rubberized comfort grips, but lack aggressive knurling, potentially slipping when hands are sweaty. The plastic plates and dial mechanisms feel well made, though less premium than full metal systems. Pros. Compact 15-in-1 solution replaces multiple dumbbells, ideal for small home gyms. Rapid weight adjustment via intuitive dials, great for fast-paced workouts. Fine 2.5-pound increments support precise progression. Sleek trays plus Journey app compatibility enhance organization and training versatility. Cons. Bulky length can hinder close bar moves like chest presses. Plastic components are susceptible to damage if dropped. Rubber grip less secure than knurled steel when hands are sweaty. Final verdict. If you're building a home gym and need versatility, space-saving, and quick transitions, the Bowflex SelectTech 552s are among the best you can buy. Excellent for beginners, general fitness enthusiasts, or anyone short on space, they offer a seamless 15-in-1 weight solution with reliable adjustment, smooth trays, and fine increments for gradual strength gains. However, if you're an advanced lifter, frequently train heavy, or drop weights often, these may not hold up under more intense use. Their bulkier profile could also limit form on certain lifts. But for most USA viewers looking to elevate at-home workouts with minimal clutter and willing to handle them with care, these are absolutely worth the investment.